As a woodworker, you may have realized that finding the right detailed plans to build some custom projects to meet specific needs can be very difficult. This is among the most common problems woodworkers face today, but luckily for you, this and other related problems shouldn't bother you. At TedsWoodworking.com, Ted McGrath, a certified master woodworker, trainer, and the author, gives more than 16,000 plans, with step-by-step blueprints for various woodworking projects. So what's Ted's Woodworking all about? Building complex projects or even the simple ones to meet specific needs can be very difficult even to experienced woodworkers, especially when you can't find a detailed plan. And most of the so-called step-by-step guides found online and in various magazines make building some projects harder than it should be. This is because the plans are sometimes not specific enough or their instructions leave out crucial information, assuming that you have enough experience to know what to do. Besides, often, such plans don't have enough detail. For instance, some don't include pictures, or the pictures they have don't match what they are telling you. Still, some don't even include cut sheets, so you are forced to guesstimate materials. Ted McGrath spent over 25 years studying these problems and finding solutions. He put together a comprehensive collection of woodworking plans. TedsWoodworking.com is his website, which offers woodworkers solutions to various woodworking problems, especially those related to finding the right plans for various projects. The site has detailed plans for over 16,000 projects. Every plan comes with a step-by-step blueprint to make it easier for you to create stunning, professional woodworking projects hassle-free, quickly, and easily. Who is Ted's Woodworking for? If you are a woodworker looking for detailed plans to start building your dream projects, or if you want a variety of plans for various unique projects, then TedsWoodworking.com has you covered. The website has helpful insights for both beginner woodworkers and the more experienced ones. Why you should check this out occasionally: you are presented with a challenging project. For instance, a customer comes and wants something custom made for them. Without having a detailed plan, it may be very difficult to build such projects quickly and be able to meet your customers' needs. Ted's Woodworking comes in handy, providing you with a variety of plans with complete, easy-to-understand instructions. You will also get new insights and learn new tricks of completing projects even if you do not have expensive tools or a large woodworking workshop. And given the wide range of projects and complete plans available on the website, you no longer need to spend days or months looking for someone to complete a project for you. You will build even the most challenging projects yourself. Here are a few things the site has to offer: easy to understand step-by-step instructions. Every plan has simple, hold you by the hand instructions that will assist you to complete your projects quickly. Materials and cutting lists, ensuring that you get the right materials and make correct cuttings. This saves you a lot of money. You get sharp, colorful, and detailed schematics. No guesswork is involved. You will know what to do and how to do it and complete your projects within the shortest time possible. The plans give you views from all angles. You will see how everything should look like before you start building. The intricate details for every joint, angle, and corner make sure you are not left guessing. Various lists of plans, 16,000 plus. Besides, you will also get new plans every month for free. The plans cover all levels of competence and skills. You don't have to be an expert woodworker or have expensive tools and machinery to use the plans. Whether you are a pro woodworker, an amateur, or a beginner with hand tools, you will find several projects suitable for you. What you won't like about Ted's Woodworking. Although Ted's Woodworking has a lot of good things to offer, it has also some flaws. Since this contains thousands of plans, it takes time to download it, particularly if your internet speed isn't up to mark. Nevertheless, this advantage may be nullified if you choose the DVD version of Ted's Woodworking. You'll have every plan on a portable DVD and you don't need to spend time in front of your computer to download the pack. But, if you pick the DVD version, you'll have to wait several days for the shipping. Aside from that, organizing a total of 16,000 plans isn't a simple task. You do need to utilize the search option to locate the plan you're looking for. Why should you choose Ted's Woodworking? If you are planning to purchase 16,000 plans individually, it'll cost you loads of money. However, Ted is offering everything for a limited launch price of only $67. Thousands of woodworkers are using his plans to create awesome stuff out of wood. It's now your turn to get in on the action.